Hi students, good morning. How are you? Myself Prashant Kumar Srivastav. Today I will discuss about the numericals on the basis of interference. You know that interference is a very interesting topic, and this is also very important topics in the wave optics. This is explained first time. This is explained by the Huygens, and but Huygens not give a complete theory about the interference. He does not give the experimental proof of the interference of light. Now his student Michael Young's given the proof of the interference of light by Young's double slit experiment, which is very famous experiment in physics. You know that it explains the wave nature of light. Interference of light explains the wave nature of light. Okay. Then you know that material has a dual nature, particle nature as well as wave nature. You also explain about this in quantum physics, how any material is behave as a particle and also it behave as a wave. There are different wave function which explain the particle nature and wave nature. Now we explain some numericals, which student when we speaking about the numerical, then you note down and pause to video, then you take 5 minutes to solve it, then you get a proper solution by me in this video. But before getting before solution, you must solve by you. Okay. Question is that very interesting question. In Young's double slit experiment, the distance of between the two slits S1 and S2 is 1 mm. Please note down this question. This is a very important question. In Young's double slit experiment, the distance D between the slits S1 and S2 is 1 mm. What should the width of each slit be as to obtain 10 maxima of the double slit pattern within the central maxima of the single slit patterns? Okay, I think you note down. Again we explain this question. In Young's double slit experiments, the distance D between the slit S1 and S2 is 1 mm. What should be the width of each slit B as to obtain 10 maxima of the double slit pattern within the central maxima of the single slit patterns? Okay. Then solve it. Pause the video and solve it. Students, now you take solution of this question. You know that there are 10 bright fringes. Then for 10 bright fringes, angular width is theta is equal to 10 lambda upon small d. You know that this is the formula of angular width in interference pattern. For 10 bright fringes, theta is equal to 10 into lambda upon small d. Now the angular width of the central maxima in the diffraction pattern 2 theta 1 is equal to 2 lambda by a. The angular width of the central maxima in the diffraction pattern 2 theta 1 is equal to 2 lambda by a. Okay. Now students, you know that in one diffraction patterns there are 10 interference patterns. You know that interference patterns always form in the one diffraction patterns. Then you know that angular width of the diffraction patterns 2 lambda by a is equal to the 10 times of the interference patterns lambda upon small d. Okay. One diffraction pattern is equal to the 10 times of the interference patterns. Then 2 lambda by a is equal to 10 lambda upon small d. Then after solving, a is equal to d upon 5. You know that d is equal to 1 mm. Distance between the two slits is given. d is equal to 1 mm. Put the value of d is 1 mm, then 1 upon 5, and answer is a is equal to 0.2 mm. It means that the size of each slit is 0.2 mm. The size of each slit is 0.2 mm. I think you got this answer and completely understand you this numericals. If any doubt, any question about this question, student frequently asks to me. Okay, thank you.